When I see the pictures of me, I just hate them. No matter what, even if people say, oh, those are great pictures of you. I was actually really scared to do this. And so I booked a vacation and I booked a professional photographer to take pictures while I was there. When I got the pictures back, I wouldn't recognize myself.
What's going on, everyone? Vince here, and I'm extremely excited to have one of our VShred members, Renae, here with us just to tell us about her transformation, about her story. So Renae, welcome, and thank you for taking some time out of your day to talk to me.
Thanks for having me. I am 43 years old. I'm a mother of 4 children. I have a very busy job. I work a lot of hours. I'm from Utah and I've been married for 20 years.
So which VShred program did you use?
So I did the Toned in 90 Days program. I saw you on Facebook and it kind of made sense to me. And so I decided to give it a try. I also was really interested in the fact that I could still eat carbs and do the carb cycling. So that really was an important part for me. And I didn't expect it to work like it did. I had way more energy. I was in a better mood. I felt like I even had more time because I was getting things done faster. And I felt good. I wasn't tired, and I just feel healthier now. It's a complete difference in the way I felt before. In the 90-day program, I lost 22 pounds, and I put on a ton of muscle, which actually I think was the big difference for me. Is by putting on that muscle, all the fat just started melting off.
Was there anything that you achieved that you weren't expecting to achieve?
For me, it was a real confidence thing, right? Like, I didn't like the way I looked before. I was in a size 8 or 10 and they were tight on me, my pants. I wasn't feeling good in them. I'd look down sometimes and see, rolls of whatever, and I was like, I don't like the way I look. And I just wanted to feel like I looked good again. And so as the pounds started coming off, it was just like I wouldn't recognize myself. There were times in the gym, I was walking by a mirror and I looked over and I thought, oh, who's that? And then I went, oh my goodness, that's me. It took a while to recognize yourself, when you start to make really a lot of changes, your mind doesn't quite catch up sometimes to how fast your body changes on this program.
So it goes beyond just fitness then for you.
Oh, absolutely. My goal never was a weight loss goal. It wasn't really I need to lose X amount of pounds, or it wasn't a number thing for me. It was, I wanted to feel better and I wanted to feel confident in a bathing suit.
I heard from a little bird that you had a goal to feel confident in a bikini, and so to keep yourself accountable, you went ahead and booked a vacation. Well, actually, you tell me what you did.
So when I started the program, I was kind of like, okay, what am I really working towards? And then a couple of weeks in, I decided I want to feel good wearing a bathing suit. And so I booked a vacation and I called the resort ahead of time and I booked a professional photographer to take pictures while I was there so I could be accountable and know that when I was there, I was taking pictures one way or another. So I hung my bathing suit on the mirror, and every morning I'd get up and I'd go and do my workouts. And I was actually really scared to do this because I'm one of those people that when I see the pictures of me, I just hate them. And so when I got the pictures back, I was just thrilled. I was floored, first of all, that I liked the pictures of me. And I was floored about the way I knew that I felt inside when I was doing those.
That's awesome. And I think it's really cool that you set a goal that truly scared you. You knew ahead of time, you've known for a while that you don't like pictures of yourself, and you set a goal to take pictures of yourself with a professional photographer in a bikini on a beach. I think that's super cool that you A, set that goal, B, felt the way that you did while you were taking them, and C, loved the pictures. That's a cool moment in your life right there.
Right. And I like too, because I now have them, right? And I've got some of them printed out and I've got them in my room and I can see them, and it's motivation going forward of this is how I want to feel going forward. I never want to go back to how I felt before
awesome.
VShred. I want to feel like this as far forward as I can feel this way.
What would you say to someone who is just now starting their own life-changing journey, and they don't know that they're starting a life-changing journey yet?
I would say don't be hesitant to pick up those weights. I mean, don't be hesitant to really get into the gym. And as a woman, you know, I think a lot of girls shy away from it, but I'd say don't be afraid to get in there and really lift some weight. I think this program is amazing, and I hope that other people can see this, that it works, and have the courage to do it, because it's life-changing. And I just think that if they can have the courage to take that first step and try it, as soon as they see the results, they're never going to want to quit.
Renae, thank you for just taking some time to talk to me. I know you're super busy, so it was an honor to get to hear your experience, your experience with the photo shoot firsthand, and really just to open up and tell us some of your insecurities going into it, and just being really open. That was awesome to hear, and congrats on all your success. I can't wait to hear what you do next, and I wish you all the best.
Thank you so much for taking the time.